All right, I want to talk about this medicated spray right over here that the brand sent me over a little bit ago to check out and test out. Now, I've been very impressed with this one. I wanted to go over some things you should know before purchasing. One, this is great. You can actually use this if you have a dog, cat, and horses as well. I have an older Yorkie, and sometimes, especially in the summer times, he gets very itchy spots. And if you have a dog, cat, horse, acne, hot spots, ringworm, and many, many more, you know what I'm talking about. It can get very annoying when they're scratching, itching, especially when there's like one specific spot. But you want to make sure that you are spraying it down with this medicated spray right over here, because what this is going to do is it's basically just going to help relieve those symptoms, make sure that there's no like bacteria growth and things along those lines. And the easiest way to use this personally for us, we like to do it in between baths. You don't want them to be wet or anything like that. And when the symptoms start flaring up, again, it is more of like a springtime thing that we see when he's out in the yard more. We'll spray this on, just a few sprays. He is a smaller dog. If you have a larger dog or larger spots, obviously adjust. But a few sprays and we are good to go. We wait for it to dry, kind of like to dry it down just a little bit on his skin to make sure that it's not wet or he's not running and wiping it off of himself. And normally it just takes a few applications and he is good. And then of course we'll just spot treat as we go. But a little bit of this really does go a long way, especially if you don't have like a super large dog, cat, maybe if you have a horse. I do not have a horse. I wish I did. That would be really cool. But if you have a horse, maybe you'd be using a little bit more. But it's also nice too. It is this nice cucumber melon scent, but it's not like overly fragranced or anything like that. I do like this brand in particular. This one is made in the USA, and there's no like weird added ingredients. These are things that you probably have already heard of, plus the 2 medications in there as well. So you're really getting a nice value. If you do have cat, dog, horse that gets irritated skin conditions, definitely go ahead, check this one out.